Hello brothers, I hope you in good health. KTM revealed its 2021 450XXF Factory Edition model, which features Red Bull KTM Factory Racing Team graphic and a number of upgrades over the standard model. One significant difference between the standard 450SXF and the Factory Edition is My KTM app connectivity unit that comes as standard and is integrated onto the new bar pad. So let's talk about it. After securing the 2019 AMA Supercross 450SX Championship, Cooper Webb collected 13 podium results and 4 main event victories to finish runner-up in the 2020 championship aboard the KTM 450SXF Factory Edition. This bike was also the tool for Marvin to post 7 top 3 moto finishes in the 2020 AMA Pro Motocross Series, as he returned from injury with a satisfying 4th in the final 450MX class standings. Taking full advantage of the experience collected through countless training and racing laps, KTM has applied key upgrades to the latest installment of the KTM 450XXF Factory Edition, creating a direct performance link to the work machines of the Cooper and Marvin. The bike comes with an orange frame, factory wheels, factory triple clamps anodized in orange, a composite skid plates, a Hinson clutch cover, and an orange rear sprocket. The spec list also boasts elements like the Agraprovik silencer, the factory start whole shot device, a semi-floating front brake, and a disc guard. A notable addition for 2021 is the connectivity unit that now comes as standard and is integrated onto the new bar pad. This means the innovative My KTM app can be synchronized immediately and without the need of any additional parts. Through the use of the My KTM app, riders of all levels can customize engine setting. An additional benefit of the My KTM apps is ability to offer suspension recommendation based on every rider's personal characteristic. The new 2021 KTM 450SXF Factory Limited Edition will be available at North America authorized dealers in January, while for Australia and New Zealand in March 2021. So that's all brothers about the new 2021 KTM 450SXF Factory Limited Edition. Stay healthy brothers, hope you enjoyed this video.